on my quest for LEDification of all cars in the EI7 KO household. We added some Footwell lighting to the old Beamer, and have the LED festoons in the hood lights. And the old LED number plate lights as well. So quite pleased with that. Turned out pretty nice. Surprised that the wiring wasn't in the Beamer for the Footwell lights, because the blanks are in the under panels, because some of them do have it. So what I ended up doing was I ran two very light wires in through the headliner and down the windscreen pillar in here. You just have to be very careful coming around here because there's an airbag in here, so you need to be very careful. And come down, all the way down, and in through the dash and junction here. Then it goes over straight across the gearbox tunnel to the far side. So a simple little job. It came out pretty well. I'm quite pleased with it. So there you go. We'll catch you in the next one. This is George, EI7 Kilo Oscar.